So there is a screen that comes out on the selection of the payment method here. So I'm going to pay by cash. You can also have the other choices of payment here. You can see. So I'm going to pay by cash. So this is the 10 baht that I'm going to pay. So this is where you slot in. You can also slot in the notes here. So this is the screen that comes out after you make a payment. So then the drinks will be coming out from here.
Don't forget to enter your phone number to earn your parking.
So this is where the drinks will be coming out, and